taste of him, one of his specialties, which I am certain you will enjoy. Remember, food always comes to those who love to cook, but not to those who are late to dinner.
Emile, you know, Remy's brother. For your safety, please remain seated throughout your adventure with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle at all times. Oh, and keep an eye on your children.
¿Cómo están, amigos? Soy Django, sí.
Voilà, venez, suivez-moi, je vous prie. Chef Larry is waiting for you. This way. Qu'attendez-vous? Oh, here they are, Larry. Les invités pour le dîner.
Yes, what to prepare? Hein? Pour le repas idéal, coq au vin? Non. A simple omelet? Too simple.
Voilà.
Mais oui, that's it! Poussez-vous de là! Vite, par ici!
Cette nourriture est pour nos invités, pas pour vous. Hey guys, the food is for them, not you. You?
Everything must be perfect! Égoïsme sale! Et oui, what are you doing? Que manigancez-vous? Out of my way!
Bienvenue chez Rémi. À bientôt et bon appétit. Et Mino. Au revoir.
Never for you. In these ways, you are always welcome at Gusteau's.
Okay, be sure to grab all your stuff and watch your step as you exit. Goodbye.